Dr. Vijay Bhaskar, Chairman, Ethics Committee, Clinical Research and Trials. Good morning, viewers. What is health and what is good health? These are the two demarcations between the good and good health. The human beings are most important to know about it, hence they can continue a healthy life. The good health is being a physically normal, mentally stable and socially balanced is called good health. As usually we are all feel healthy, but practically some are the other way. We suffer from psychologically, that means due to family problems, economic problems, financial problems, and social problems. This is a common disease. Even the richest of the rich person also suffer from psychological stress due to overburden of job, business, and financial credibilities. Apart from that, there will be a family problems, there will be a social problems, and as usual, personal problems, all leading to certain socio-economic, psychological, mental disorders. The 98% people in the world suffer from some or the other way, the stress, strain related mental problems. Even I am not aware that I am suffering from a psychological problem. That should be evaluated by a psychologist or a psychiatrist. Unless until a negative and positive questions are asked to the person by a psychologist and a psychiatrist, you are not aware of he is suffering from a hindered disease. So most of the people feel they are enjoying the money, status, and physical and luxurious life. But as usually, some are the other way. 365 days, 24/7. Sometime they go into depression or anxiety due to certain daily activities and stress and miserably certain family and social issues. So you want to be psychologically stable, good health, you need to do a regular pranayam like deep respiratory exercises and regular physical exercises and meditation, and keep calm yourself instead of arguing certain issues, and then try to solve your problems earlier. Don't get into troubles and don't think about the trouble which increases the pressure in the brain. What I mean to say is, what exactly you want to be, you be. You have to be. The other way, the amount of problems you are going to face in the future, you predict and try to discuss with your friends and family members. Try to solve your problem with the help of your known people or your well-wishers as early as possible, so that later you may not go into deep psychological troubles. So what I mean to say is, whatever the way you do, that is, reflect on your personality. You do good things, it reflects good manner. If you think bad things, it unfortunately some are the other way. Social media and other people reflect in a bad way. So obviously, be happy, take care of yourself, be mentally stable yourself. Unless until we do prepare ourselves a day job, you do not go ahead in front. Certain times you neglect yourself, you think everything will be solved by a time. But that time will be decided by yourself. Unless until you decide yourself what you want to do for today, you cannot go ahead every second. So, my friends, psychologically, you keep yourself stable. For that matter, you need to keep your physical human being in a stable. As usually, a physical structure of your body needs lot of nutrition, lot of physical exercise, lot of mental health. Apart from that, lot of good circumstances. So to keep your physical body in a stable manner, you need to have a good protein diet, carbohydrate, fat and minerals and other ingredients which need to develop your body, which are balanced. Whether you take carbohydrate or fat or protein or minerals or any antioxidants should be taken in a balanced manner. So protect yourself. And then the third issue is social. The social behavior in the society is most important. Even though you're a rich man or a poor man, the way you behave, the way you dress up, the way you talk, the way you execute, the way you speak, everything is matters. So, social behavior is most important. So, the health is wealth. Whatever you say, when you are healthy, you will become more wealthy. So, in the sense, socially, psychologically, physically, if you are fit, then you are a complete man in this society to produce more dedicated life to the society. So this is what I want to say. So good life is most good life for your future and for your development and for your progression, for your family, for your community, for your country. Thank you so much.